The Cricut Explore Air 2 has a million uses, but only one job: make life beautiful. Introducing the Cricut Explore Air 2. Now available in an array of beautiful new colors. It can cut over 100 materials, everything from cardstock, vinyl, and iron-on, to specialty materials like glitter paper and leather. Quickly, perfectly, beautifully. Choose from our ready-made designs, then personalize them or create your own in minutes. You can do it from anywhere, your desktop, tablet, or mobile device. It's never been easier or faster to design and create professional-looking projects every time, even on the go. The Cricut Explore Air 2 is more than just a smart cutting machine. It's your DIY solution. Just click, cut, and done. You'll also experience the joy of giving when you share stunning handmade gifts with your friends and family. With Cricut, you can make life inspiring. You can make life beautiful. Cricut Explore Air 2. Make every minute count.
Hi, I'm Vi. With your Cricut Explore, all you need is your iPhone, iPad, or laptop to design on the go. So you can design here, there, and everywhere. And because it's cloud-based, it lets me start a project in one place, like on my phone, and then finish it later. And if I make a change in the design in one device, it updates on my other devices, like on my laptop. It is super cool and efficient. So if I get an idea, I can start designing wherever I am.
On the Cricut Design Space app, you can browse through hundreds of one-click, professionally designed Make It Now projects, or create one from scratch whenever inspiration strikes.
Oh, check him out. I loved the pattern on his shorts. It looks super rad on the walls of my bathroom. Cricut allows me to express my creativity on the spot, so I'm gonna design my wall decals right here. Let's see here. I'll search for a fern. Now look at all these options. Which one do I want? I like that one. So I'll just press insert. I'll get one, make it a little bigger. Maybe I should title this Fern on the Cute Guy's Shorts. Then I'll save it in the cloud and cut it later on my schedule.
One of the coolest features on the app is that you can use your built-in camera on your iPhone to visualize your design in a real-life setting.
Now I want to look for a bike. My bike is the Yellow Beach Cruiser. Let's see if they got a Yellow Beach Cruiser. Well, they don't have a yellow bike, so maybe I will pick a different colored bike and just turn it yellow, because you can do that. All right, cool. Yellow bike, blue wheels, because I can. What I like most about the Cricut is I get to put my own silly sense of humor into all of my clothes and gear and belongings. Vi's Ride. Can't buy that in a store. Beautiful. Vi's Ride. When inspiration strikes, you can pretty much turn your idea into reality with Cricut.
When you're ready to cut your project, you can choose a variety of materials like paper, vinyl, iron-on, cardstock, fabric, leather, and more. You can use your Cricut Explore for all sorts of everyday projects like home decor like candles and wall decals, parties, holiday decorations, card making, DIY jewelry and fashion like t-shirts and even shoes. Download the app for free in the Apple Store today so you can design here, there, and anywhere. In no time, you'll be saying, I made it.